Hi guys, today I will explain about the mechanisms of Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene, which is another reaction of benzene. So this is the reaction or the chemical equation for this mechanism. Our starting material is benzene. Our reagent is 2-chloropropane. The catalyst is AlCl3, and this is the product from product form from this reaction. So as we know, benzene is a very stable compound. So while 2-chloropropane is not reactive enough untuk react with the benzene that is too stable. So we must form electrophile first untuk react with the benzene. So the first step in this mechanism is the formation of electrophile. So untuk form electrophile, we must react the reagent with the catalyst. So AlCl3 ini dia akan act as a Lewis acid catalyst which helps generate the electrophile, which is 2-chloropropane. The AlCl3 interacts with 2-chloropropane to form a complex such as this one, which is electrophile. One of the lone pairs on the chlorine atom of the 2-chloropropane is pushed toward the empty orbital of Al on the AlCl3. Kenapa dia pilih Al ataupun aluminium? Sebab aluminium ni dia adalah metal which have empty orbital. And untuk show the electron yang push toward aluminium, we must draw this curve arrow. So the 2-chloropropane is not a very reactive electrophile toward aromatic compounds like benzene. So AlCl3 there helps to polarize the 2-chloropropane molecule to make it more susceptible to reaction. So in this first step kita sudah form electrophile, di mana electrophile ini kita akan guna untuk react with benzene in the next step. So this is the second step in this mechanism, which is the formation of uranium ions. The benzene ring being electron rich due to its delocalized by electron system. Delocalized means elektron dalam benzene ring ini dia akan sentiasa bergerak in this benzene ring. So this is the electrophile that formed in the previous step. So this is electrophile. Bila ini electrophile means this is the nucleophile. So this nucleophile dia akan attracted to the electrophilic chlorine species that is generated in the previous step. This electrophilic dia akan attack the benzene ring, leading to the formation of a sigma bond. Means that this electrophile dia akan attack benzene ring, making this pi bond dia akan broken down and form sigma bond here. Dia akan form sigma bond here and bond between carbon and chlorine here. Bond between carbon and chlorine here dia akan broken down, and both of the electron from this sigma bond dia akan push toward the chlorine, and then this compound dia akan attach to the sigma bond here, form like this. Benzene and other aromatic compounds are highly stable due to their delocalized by electron system, which provides significant aromatic stabilization. So breaking this aromaticity by forming the sigma complex requires substantial substantial energy. So it makes this process a slow process. The electrophile bonds with one of the benzene rings carbon atoms, breaking the ring's aromaticity. This results in the formation of a sigma complex. Means electrophile ini dia akan attach to the one of this carbon in benzene ring. Kalau ini yang attack means the electrophile dia akan attach to this carbon ataupun di sini. So this intermediate is often represented as an uranium ion, where the positive charge is delocalized ataupun always bergerak in the benzene ring over the benzene ring. The uranium ion is a resonance stabilized carbocation intermediate. So disebabkan dia adalah resonance, we must draw this square bracket and also this kind of arrow. The positive charge in the uranium ion is delocalized over the aromatic ring through resonance, resulting in multiple resonance structure. In these resonance structures, the positive charge is shared by the carbon atoms of the ring and stabilized by the pi electron cloud. And for your information, the uranium ions are unstable. So dia akan form uranium ion and also this. Sebab yang ini dia sudah broken bond between carbon here and chlorine here, dia akan broken down, making it dia akan terpisah. So both of the electron dia akan push toward the chlorine, while this compound, this structure dia akan attach to this carbon like this lah. So dia akan ada 3 resonance. And remember, kita kena lukis this square bracket and also this kind of arrow untuk menunjukkan dia adalah resonance structures. After the formation of uranium ion, a positively charged carbon atom is within the benzene ring. This positively charged carbon atom is often adjacent to the hydrogen atom on the one of the ring carbons. Means that carbon yang pegang positive charge itu dia adalah bersebelahan dengan karbon yang dia bersebelahan dengan hydrogen atom on one of the ring carbon, this one lah. So yeah, this so untuk kita dapatkan produk seperti yang in the chemical equation earlier, kita kena buang proton ataupun H from this uranium ion. So the negatively charged ClAlCl3 dia akan act as a base and abstract a proton from the carbon atom adjacent to the positively charged carbon atom in the uranium ion. Means that this base dia akan ClAlCl3 dia akan act as a base which dia akan abstract ataupun dia akan kasih keluar proton ataupun which also known as hydrogen from this carbon yang adjacent to the carbon yang pegang positive charge. So the proton ataupun hydrogen atom dia akan transfer forms so the proton ataupun hydrogen atom dia akan transfer forms a double bond between the carbon atoms, between these two carbon atoms, which restoring the ring's aromaticity. So means that hydrogennya dia akan pergi ke sini, and then bond between carbon here and hydrogen dia akan broken down, and then dia akan form balik new pi bond ataupun double bond. So bila dia sudah form new double bond ataupun pi bond, dia akan It means we already restoring the ring's aromaticity. So in this step, they involve donating electrons from the carbon-hydrogen bond to the positively charged carbon atom, forming a new pi bond. The formation of double bond effectively restores the aromatic character of the ring, completing the re-aromatization process. The resulting intermediate is often a substituted aromatic compound, where the electrophile has been incorporated into the ring, and in this case, it is isopropyl benzene. Dalam arti kata lain, Cl Cl dia derma propen kepada benzin and benzin derma H kepada Cl. So the byproduct of this reaction is HCl. And at the end of this reaction, the catalyst, which is AlCl3, is recovered. And yeah, so that's all from me. Thank you.